Meet the all-around FastCharge 2.0, a hardware-level charging revolution that transforms charging experiences beyond speed. Using multi-tab structure battery and 3 parallel fast-charging chips, the 100-watt wired charging dynamically adjusts each channel for stable, high-speed charging. The included mag case, mag pad, and mag power precisely match with each other. A simple snap ensures efficient power supply. Wireless charging converts changing magnetic fields into alternating current. In reverse, it also enables wireless reverse charging for other devices. And we have only scratched the surface. The key lies in this self-developed power management chip. The Cheetah X1 chip uses advanced wafer-level chip-scale packaging that boosts processing efficiency by 204% and integrates 3 core charging modules into one. The first variable, speed fast charging. Get your phone ready for departure within 9 minutes using hyper mode. Or keep your phone cool at all times in low temp mode. The industry-leading 10-watt WeRed reverse charging controller allows accurate and fast reverse wired charging in both ways. With a simple click, the bypass charging directs power to the main board during gaming or video playback, significantly reducing temperature rise. The AI night charging adjusts power based on user habits. It prevents overcharging at night and charges 100% before the users wake up. The multi-protocol fast charging allows rapid access to power 99% of the devices wherever you are. Coupled with 63 safety measures, charging safety is guaranteed in various adverse environments.